Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Here I will present my presentation on the theme of Mudharabah. My name is Nafianda Faparezi. Student register number 2103011068. Class D. Subject English. Definition of Mudharabah. Mudharabah means a business agreement in which one party, capital provides or Arab al-mal, invests with capital and the other party, entrepreneur of Mudarib, invests with his skill or energy. Business profits are divided according to a pre-agreed ratio, while a loss are borne by the financier except for the negligence of the entrepreneur. Types of Mudharabah. There are two types of Mudharabah, restrictive and unrestrictive. Restrictive Mudharabah means that the investor has specified investment detail in the Mudharabah contract and has restricted the working partner within the scope of such specification. Due care and precision must be taken by the working partner to honor the restriction imposed by the investor. Unrestricted Mudharabah. It means that the investor has granted the working partner the leave to undertake lawful investment. The working partner has the left to invest in any suitable investment that is reasonably expected the yield provides. It is the responsibility of the working partner to avoid unlawful and high-risk investment, and the working partner is liable for any losses suffered from such investment. Rule of Mudharabah. Mudharabah capital ideally. The Mudharabah capital should be in the form of cash because if the capital is in the form of commodities and assets, then there will be possibility of uncertainty and dispute in the value. Work for the Mudharabah venture. The financier or capital provides is not allowed to participate in Mudharabah business if he puts the condition that he has a right to participate in Mudharabah business and involved in buying and selling activities. Then the Mudharabah contract becomes void. Profit and loss sharing in Mudharabah. It is necessary in Mudharabah that both parties agree and profit sharing ratio at the time the contract is concluded. The distribution of the profits must be on the basis of the percentage of profit. Terms of Mudharabah. 1. In the form of money and not goods. 2. Have a clear amount. 3. The capital provided is in the form of cash and not debt. 4. Must be submitted to Mudarib. 5. The distribution of profits must be clear and in accordance with the agreed ratio. Example of mudharabah. The owner of the capital submits his capital to the entrepreneur to be carried out in commerce with mutual benefits according to the agreement. That's all I can say of there is a wrong pronunciation. I'm sorry. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.